computer as a teacher's tool. We will study here not just about what computer is. We will know here what could be the capabilities of the computer in terms of using it as a tool in learning. First is constructivism. It was introduced by Piaget and Brunner. They gave stress to knowledge discovery of new meaning, concepts, principles in the learning process.
Next is social constructivism. It's the effort to show that the construction of knowledge is governed by social, historical, and cultural contexts.
There are 5 capabilities of computers. These are information tool, communication tool, constructive tool, co-constructive tool, and situating tool. The teacher can employ computer as information tool wherein the computer can provide vast amounts of information in various forms such as text, graphics, sound, and video.
Communication tool. The computer has been used in communication as evident by social networking sites as to Facebook, Twitter, and Friendster.
In the communication tool, the internet can serve as a channel for global communication. The computer can very well be the key tool for video teleconferencing sessions such as Skype.
Constructive tool. The computer itself can be used for manipulating information, visualizing one's understanding, and building new knowledge.
In the co-constructive tool, students can use constructive tools to work cooperatively and construct a shared understanding of new knowledge.
In situating tool, by means of virtual reality extension system, the computer can create 3D images on display to give the user the feeling that are situated in a virtual environment.
The Internet as an instructional tool. The Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks. It is also called the net because it is interconnected networks. The Internet can be a resource bank in such a way that it is a storage of vast informations used in learning.
A classroom tool wherein the students use the Internet to acquire knowledge through discovery of learning. The Internet can be a reference tool wherein we can refer the developmental learning of instruction. Examples of reference tools are print media, examples, articles, booklets, dictionaries, lab, manual, clinical, guides, and etc. Another example is electronic media, educational videos, documentaries, and etc. Next is Internet websites, general, news, and current affairs, educational and encyclopedic websites.
The Internet and education. There are 2 objectives of the Internet and education. First, to define the Internet and education. Second, to appreciate the importance of Internet for education. In learning with computers and Internet, the Internet could be a very positive step towards education, organization, and participation in a meaningful society.
Use of Internet in education. Fast and relatively low-cost access, easy contact, school projects, encyclopedia, news, and online.
In the learning ecosystem, there must be technology, experiences, information, worldview, reflective thinking, work environment, and social interactions.
Uses of Internet and distance education. Internet, largest and far-flung system of all systems. Browsing, most attractive way to move around the Internet. Distance education, or what we call distance learning. Educational information and instruction is taught to learners who are physically distant. Distance education, defining distance education or history of distance education and technology The technology which used nowadays for distance education are several like video conferences, discussion board, email, pre-recorded videotapes, ebooks, and etc.
In distance education, there is a use of the Internet and World Wide Web. The Internet and the World Wide Web are not the same thing. The Internet is a massive network of networks, while the World Wide Web, or simply web, is a way of accessing information over the medium of the Internet.
Using Internet for authentic activities. Authentic activities are real-life experience, creation of full new idea, task identical, learning based on experimentation and actions.
The Internet as a tool for communication are for information, business, social networking, job search, or for entertainment. As a tool for inquiry, information-seeking strategies, location and access, use of information, synthesis, and evaluation.
Construction, an inquiry-based learning activity. We use Internet as a tool for construction. It is an inquiry-based learning activity where most or all of the information needed by the students to accomplish a given task are found in the Internet.